I'm learning art for around 10 years right now, and I did a really big mistake for the longest time that stopped me progressing around 3 times or more slower than I could. So instead of taking 10 years to get here, I would have taken 3. Now, of course, the tutorials and courses changed a lot by now. 10 years ago, finding something was definitely harder and the quality of it was definitely lower. No one was really that great at Blender, or even sculpting was way more simple than now. So learning now would definitely be faster than it was before, but I still think these few things are very important to know. Now, when you start, there's really no bad thing that you can do. Just focus on learning, watch tutorials. Of course, you can do experiments on your own, but if you want to progress really fast, watching tutorials is always the best way. Now, if you're going for learning about characters, anatomy is important, but I don't think anatomy at the beginning is the most important part. Learning just to sculpt, to have fun, is way more important. So instead of focusing on creating a best head or body sculpt, I would probably sculpt some monsters or anything in between creatures and fruits, maybe trees or just some random props. Now, after a while, you will probably want to start posting your art online and get some likes, or if you really far into your journey, you probably want to get a job. And that happened around 3 years into my progress of art. I definitely wasn't qualified to get a job, but in my mind I was, and that really stopped my progress. So when you reach that type of level, you want to always keep progressing. Every time you post your artwork, you want to get more likes. Every time trying to create a portfolio piece, it cannot be worse than what you did before. You're trying your best to make it better and better every time you can. And thinking, okay, with this art, I'm gonna blow up. With this piece, I'm gonna finally get my dream job. And I will say, almost 100% will not happen. Now, of course, sometimes we will get lucky, but regular people like us will not. And when you really focus on making the next piece the best piece you ever did, you kind of start making this mistake that slowed my progress dramatically. So every time I created a new piece, I thought this is definitely a piece that will probably get me a job. I wasn't getting much likes either on my art. You're probably getting more than I did before. And every time I was creating something new, I was like, okay, this is definitely gonna be a big hit. I love how this looks like. But still, you would get stuck at some places, take very long time to fix them, and there is nothing really you can do about it. Getting stuck is all fine, this is how we get better, but not allowing yourself to be bad is a big problem, especially when you're trying to do something new. So let's say I made a characters that didn't have much clothing, or the clothing was like a hard surface, and now I try to make something that is completely different material than I doing this first time. I probably will be not as good as I was with other things that I did, but I still want this art to be better than what I did before. Now, putting yourself in this type of frame will basically burn you out and destroy your progress. Instead of being okay with getting bad result, you will start pushing yourself as far as you can. In the end, most likely you'll burn out yourself and not get the desired result. And even after your big fight with yourself and actually being able to get a better result that took you months, there's almost no chance that it's going to get more likes than the previous arts that you did before, especially if you took months to post something new. Every art piece, the bigger pieces that I did, finished renders, took me around from 3 to 9 months. Some of them even took a year to finish, just because I wanted to make them as perfect as I can. And again, as I told before, I thought with this one I'm definitely going to get hired. And I'll tell you right now, none of it happened. None of my artworks ever blow up to make me very popular on social media, or I never got hired just because I made a killer portfolio piece that was definitely not a killer at all. And to tell you in the simple terms, trying to push yourself, trying to push your artwork to be better than what you did before is a huge mistake. Not allowing yourself to create something bad, always trying to get your art to be better, will slow your progress. Because every time you will try create something, it will not reach your standards. You will keep hitting yourself, I mean mentally, not physically. And it will hurt your love for the craft itself. It will burn you. You will stop enjoying it as much. If you will still keep at it, it will just take much longer to finish the work, and you will not really learn the lesson that you should be learning. Instead of putting all your focus into making the best piece as you can right now, you should probably think more about having fun and learn something new. I'll say putting in front learning something new, testing out things like sculpting a new material, sculpting a new looking face, sculpting a new body type that you never did before, or trying to copy someone else is way more important than creating a tiny bit better piece of art that you're gonna post on social media that took you years to make. Especially imagine the scenario that it took you half a year to finish it, so 6 months. You didn't learn much, but it's definitely better than what you did before. And after half of the year, you post your artwork online and it gets a 1 like. Let's even be a bit more happy with it, and let's say you get 5 likes. So all your progress that you did in 6 months is basically worth of 5 likes from people. And if you put the value of your artwork on how many views, likes, interactions your art got, like how will you feel at the end? Now you can imagine how I felt about creating art as well, how I got stuck. And this thing will not just, it's very hard to deal with, but it's definitely not gonna help you love the craft that you're doing as well. Instead of wasting half a year, I wouldn't call it a waste. I still learned stuff and did that stuff, but it could have been much more better if I just tried having fun and posting small things or worrying how much views it's gonna get, because it's not about the views. And if you're just gonna focus on every piece, oh, this piece gonna get me hired, and it will not get you hired, you're gonna do maximum 3 pieces like that, and you're just gonna hate art at the end, because it's not about it, especially right now when the job market for the art is so horrible. Instead of it being your goal, I would say learn something new and improve should be your main goal. Now it's definitely still possible to use these type of feelings of, oh, I'm gonna get hired by this, or oh, I'll try to do more on this artwork and possibly get more likes, is good short-term motivation, but I would definitely not put this way of thinking for a long term. I can definitely understand a need for your artwork to lead you to job offers, freelance work, getting hired, or likes, but I'll tell you just from my experience, every time I focused on doing that, it never led me to getting anything. The only times that I actually got a job offers or freelance offers you can call is when I was just streaming or uploading consistently, and that art pieces weren't even that close to my portfolio pieces, but they were enough for people to get interested and hire me. And no one really goes to your portfolio and sees your art and says, oh my god, I'm definitely going to hire this person. I got way more traction and offers from people just finding streams or my silly YouTube videos. So it's much more important to reach people instead of creating an art that will probably not going to be visible. And if you really think about it, the arts that I posted spending months to finish, even up to a year, got same amount of likes as the pieces that I did in a few days or a week. Like my most popular YouTube tutorial, most watched head sculpting tutorial on Blender, actually took me 1 day to finish, and it bring me the most passion, most conversation, most job offers I ever got from spending a year plus on one of my art pieces. So start thinking way differently about how art is. Don't think that this is bad or good. Think about, oh, I learned something. Even if you can't really tangibly say that I learned this now and I know this for sure, your skills definitely improve. Don't put likes and dislikes as a measure of your progress because it's very inaccurate, and there's definitely pieces of art that are way worse than yours, getting much more interaction, but you definitely wouldn't call that better than yours. It's just how internet and stuff is. Some people get more likes, some people won't. So just a quick summary. The most important part definitely going to be have fun. If you have fun, it will be easier to make more pieces and even progress. Second, don't be afraid to make a bad art. Bad art is actually where you progress, and if you're always forcing yourself to be better with each piece, it's a very easy way to burn yourself out, because when you will try something new, it will not fulfill your needs and it will just burn you out, make you stuck and hate art. Don't make an art piece to get a job or likes for social media. Make it because you want to make it. Now I probably need to clarify a tiny bit. You can still make pieces that are focused on like a company, getting your portfolio seen. But when you're learning, don't think that, oh, this one will definitely gonna be so good that it's gonna get so many likes and so many offers, because it probably won't happen. And putting a such huge goal on one of your models will not bring the result that you probably want. Now you probably see that I make characters that are well known, but if you look at all of the characters that I did, they aren't most of the time from most popular shows or most known design. It's just the things that I felt passionate about and made. Another part is learning new things will make your pieces look worse at the beginning, but better later. Don't be afraid to learn, watch tutorials, courses, post your whips, and please don't waste half a year doing one piece of artwork. Getting hired, getting freelance, connecting with people, opportunities, networking really happens from the outreach you have and not from the one piece that you're gonna post that is just a tiny bit better than what you did before. So I hope that you learned something good and stop trying with every piece. Put yourself in the rough spot, waiting for hundreds of likes, and have fun and share the fun with others. Alright everyone, thanks for watching and see you next one. Bye!